The Igbos are fully ready to leave almighty Lagos, but this is one thing they need: seaport. In all eastern region, let there be seaport, and Igbos is going to leave almighty Lagos for the Lagosians, as they claim. No be small thing o. Now I come say this one dey happen, and na so e be. I will still dey here dey bring you update as e dey hot. My people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here dey bring you update back to back as e dey hot. And the matter wey we carry come for today na all these things wey dey happen for inside Lagos. You know say Nigeria na country wey be say if something dey happen, e come be like say dey sieve attention of one particular thing wey dey happen, whereby the one wey first dey happen still dey happen o, and nobody is talking about it. But however, we still dey here. Do you also know that so many Nigerians believe that Igbo land is landlocked? The earlier starting of this earlier last year, we made a video telling you that Igbo land has more than 5 seaports in 5 eastern regions. I'm talking of Anambra, Imo, Abia, and Enugu, and Ebonyi state. I'm talking of this state. Do you know that more than 5 seaports are located in these areas? But most of Nigeria think that Igbo land is landlocked. How are they going to get access to sea if they go with 5 states? This is what most of Nigeria are reasoning. But all these are propaganda. All these are lies that the government want to use to keep the Igbo tribe down. But today, when this man called Adeso to make a review of how he want to build seaport in Abia State, everybody was saying, but I think that Igbo don't have a seaport. How come in Abia State, not in Calabar, but in Abia State? Yes. Things are happening. But however, I want to play this video for you to watch, and before we come back, continue.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you, depending on where you are watching from. As you can see right there, they said you won't see any Igbo man in southwest if there is a seaport in southeast or southeast or south. This, what is happening to the Igbo according to this? Courtesy of Nigerian government, marginalization, and I will add strangulation of the Igbo tribe. And according to this person, he said, one day the Israelites you see today, you will see them no more. And things like this are why there are agitations here and there. Because you can't be marginalizing a particular side you call your country. You told them you are Nigerians, let's live together, and you don't want them to operate how they are supposed to operate. You know, Lagos is a place where you see so many Igbo people, they are doing businesses there, and they are doing well. And not just Lagos, but in other part of the country. But it appears Lagos is where you have them more than any part in Nigeria, apart from the southeast. And severally, you hear the Yorubas, you must leave our place, go back to your southeast, go back to your landlocked region. Meanwhile, Igbo land is not landlocked. Yeah, but that is a story for another day. So we hear things like, go back to your landlocked region, this and that. And a lot of Igbos are responding to this and asking, do you think if we have properly functioning seaports in the southeast and south, we will be in Lagos? Do you think so? Now, the kind of attention that has been given to Lagos, it is unfair. The advantage Lagos is getting is unfair. Lagos was heavily invested on and built by money gotten from Niger Delta. And the Niger Delta includes parts of southeast. And you wonder why the oil majors, their headquarters are in Lagos. And for Lagosians to be telling people to go back to their place, is that proper? Who built Lagos? Let's exclude the individual contribution to Lagos. Federal government built Lagos. Lagos was a former capital, fixed by federal government. That the seaports are in Lagos, the major seaport in Nigeria is in Lagos, and others are not properly functioning or not functioning to full capacity. It is still federal government's doing. Lagos is like getting a special attention. If you check out, there are other, Lagos is not the only part of this country that has sea by the side, the Atlantic Ocean. The Cross River has that, River State has that, and they have seaport as well. But is it functioning as it ought to function? No. They are not functioning at full capacity. And aside that, there are some rivers in the country that are supposed to be dredged. You can have some smaller seaports that ships can move through this, like that of Onitsha. They have not done what they're supposed to do. So Igbos, being that they are business people, as far as business is concerned in Nigeria, trading, importation, and the rest of them, give it to Igbo man in Nigeria. And they flood Lagos. The reason is not because Yoruba woman knows how to cook better soup, ewedu soup. No. But because of its strategic, that location. Because they cannot import certain goods from other seaports. There was a time I called managers of Port Harcourt Seaport there, and they told me you cannot bring in ro-ro vessels. And some of the times, One and the Calabar port are costlier to use. So you realize Lagos has gotten a particular kind of attention, and there is politics in all of this. Why not open up all other seaports? Some are even saying that Port Harcourt and Calabar are deeper. But politics will tell you that they are not deeper, this and that. And the other thing politics also says is that people of that area they do rob this and that. Can you imagine the excuses that are given? So this guy is saying you won't see any Igbo in Southwest if there's a seaport in Southeast and South. Actually, you will see Igbos in Yoruba. They will still be there, but not as they are now. They will reduce by more than half if they can do such businesses in their homes. Yes. If those containers can come to Southeast, more Igbos will leave Lagos. Already, the condition of the Lagos state government, the condition the government has given them is not so favorable. So Igbos are not in Lagos because they like your food or anything. They are there to do business. And not just because it is conducive. Yes, the government has made it so. Waterways are necessary for businessmen because they have to bring in their goods. Make One and Calabar Port the same way, functional and the same price, and let every of what is done in Lagos seaports be done in those ports. You will see, you're talking about decongesting Lagos seaports. It will naturally decongest. You will not have to build a dry port in Ibadan. But Nigeria politics. So, those who are telling Igbos leave Lagos as if they made it that way, as if they have repaired Lagos, Oga, we are not dragging Lagos with you. Lagos was fixed by the federal government. And as far as we're Nigerians, we have to also operate there. Though we understand that you people are doing everything to make it hard for the Igbo man. But then, the fact remains that Lagos is a federal government project. And let me tell you, Igbos are not really truly happy being in Lagos. Don't think, oh, you've met it conditions. No, not just that. It's because of the ease of business, which was arranged by the federal government, by politics. Let other ports and other rivers function equally, properly. Why will I have to pay? My goods will come to Lagos Seaport. I have to pay for each movement of the goods, certain amounts. People will be collecting. Arboros will collect their own. Do you think it pleases me? But because there are no other options. And these are reasons why some people they don't want anything to do with this country. Lagos is getting an unfair advantage. And can you imagine people are telling you, I fixed my place. Who fixed Lagos? So, there will still be Igbo men in Lagos, but not like you see now. If other ports were meant to function properly, they will still be there, but they will reduce by more than 50%. And for the guy who's telling you, the Israelites you see today, what they're telling you is they are looking forward to a nation. And if they have their way, and certainly if they have their way, there will be a balance. If you see an Igbo man in Lagos, he is aware it is now another country. For you people to pursue Igbo, make una check and well. I know the South are in support of what I'm saying. Seaport will bring big business to Southerners. And when this seaport comes to South, you will know that some Southerners, as they are called, I don't so much believe in that map. You know that many of them too are business inclined. They will get involved massively. They will build warehouses. And I know they go with me, they tow with me in what I've just said. Please share this video widely. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more updates. Bye for now.
Yes, the video you just watched is just truth. The Igbos you find in Lagos is a safe choice. People who love Lagos and who want to live in Lagos. So you will not have any reason looking for somebody who is taking over your land, as one man have made in video we posted yesterday, saying that the Igbos are the problem they have in Lagos. No, Igbos can never be your problem in the Lagos. So Tinubu built Lagos as if people claim, right? Now Tinubu is the president. Let him make necessary approve of all infrastructures in Southeast, and you will see a fire, you will see a kick up. You will know that one person will rise and say, I want to build this. This is what make Southeast unique. You see, that's little thing that the governor of Abia State is doing in Abia State. You see the way a proposer, industries, our people are not thinking to bring their company to Aba. Check when you give them access of everything. Dubai, Nangwara. My people, share this video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates, and do not forget to drop your own opinion in a comment section as it dey hot.